Alright guys, it's time to get this done. I've been sick for the last couple days, but now I feel halfway decent. Still got to get it done. We got my Rockstar. Always got to have one of these. Gonna head over to the little tire shop, get these tires mounted, installed. Well, not installed, just mounted, balanced, and all that good stuff. I'm waiting for some coilovers to come in. I'm gonna make a review on those. I found a pretty good deal on some inexpensive ones, so we'll see what's up. But we're gonna get it done. So it's time to roll on out. All right, well, should get it done. We got them all in here. Got all the wheels and tires. Man, it's hard to fit 8 wheels and tires in the car. So here goes a little video of the Drift King. There we go. That thing's pushing big horsepower. This is my garage. Got some Recaros right here, some real Recaros, some little wheels. There goes Jeep. We just put everything in. And the Beamer, the 20s are going. Man, this isn't very comfortable. All up in my shit. All up in this shit. Let's roll on out. I can't see nothing behind me, but that's cool. We're gonna roll down these windows. It's hot as hell. All right, so now we are rolling out. We're in the Jeep. We're getting this shit taken care of. Pretty excited to get it all done. Just picked up the E90 not that long ago. I don't know, maybe a week and a half ago. I planned on picking up a set of 19-inch wheels just because I had some 19-inch tires that would have fit perfect, but came across on too good of a deal on a pair of BBS LM reps. So for a full set of 20s, they were $400. Some guy was just like looking to get rid of them. When I met up with him, there was some Chinese dude. He pulled up in a sick ass M4. He said those were his winter wheels, and he had a sick ass set of like avant-gardes or something on the M4. But he just needed to get rid of them, so I picked them up. Had to spend more money on some tires, so now we're gonna go get them mounted up at the wheel shop. I've been going to this wheel shop for years, man, since I don't know, since I've been 18. I'm 31 now. So it's been a long time. It's not too far away, 10 minutes away, but we'll get it done. A quick little story about this Jeep. So it's a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's the Overland Edition 4.7. I think the biggest engine that they make, the highest quality or the highest model for this Jeep. Everything's leather, everything's automatic. It's pretty cool. My girlfriend was telling me that she wanted to buy a car, and you know, I didn't really think anything of it. I thought that she was just saying it in passing. And next thing you know, she pulls up like a couple days later in a badass freaking Jeep. I was like, damn, you didn't even tell me. Oh shit. She had it all lifted, didn't talk to me about it, nothing. She just pulled up, and she pulled up in this thing, and I was like, damn. So that was pretty cool. She got a pretty good deal. I think first week into getting it, the radiator blew out. That was easy fix, like 30 minutes. Pulled the old one, put the new one in, and it's been good ever since. She's owned it for quite a while now, maybe like a year. Not many problems. For any of you off-road guys, if you've had a Jeep, you know about death wobble. She had some pretty serious death wobble at the beginning, and you know, she was telling me like what was going on, and you know, I was like, whatever. And then one day we were driving, I don't know, maybe 30-40 minutes, and that shit hit hard. And if you guys haven't experienced death wobble, that shit sucks. It's like all 4 wheels about to fall off the car. Everything starts rattling, shaking. You're like bracing for impact. You know some crazy shit's about to happen. And then all of a sudden you stop and it's over and it's gone. And then you keep driving and everything's good. So it's weird. It's a weird thing. It has to do with like bushings, the tension arms, the steering stabilizer. There's a lot of stuff that needed to get replaced after she had it lifted. But ever since now, we're good. Haven't hit that wobble in a while. Well, actually, ever since we got everything done up and fixed, so that's been good, man. Because that shit was pretty scary. You know, that shit would happen like probably 4 times a day, and then it got to be a thing, and I had to get it adjusted because she started getting anxiety from driving around. But that's cool because I only drove it for like 2 days, and I didn't want to drive it anymore. I started getting anxiety myself from thinking the fucking car was gonna fall apart and I was gonna get in an accident, you know. But we got everything all fixed up and adjusted, so ever since then it's been good. It's been like 5 months now of perfect suspension. Everything runs really good. All right, all that's going on the E90. All that came out of the Jeep, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so we're getting them all mounted right now. Oh shit, I just ran something over, but that's cool. I'm in the Jeep. No biggie, no biggie, no harm, no foul. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna roll up over here. Roll up on this shit. Alright, cool, let's get him. Alright, things are getting a little too crazy right here. I can't get out for the right or the left, but it's all good. We got the Jeep. We're gonna do this. We can go off-roading in this bitch. Go right over. Alright, we got these bad boys mounted. You see them in the back. It's a little annoying trying to get out of there. I was stuck there for like 5 minutes, just like posted, but it's all good. We got the Jeep, we can get out of there. Hopefully they didn't get mad, but it's all good. It is what it is. But hell yeah, so these are going on the E90. I'm excited to get this shit done. So we'll link up in a little bit. I think my next video will be with installation and everything. I'm waiting for some hub-centric caps, not caps, but hub-centric rings to put on there. Get the measurement right so I don't get any kind of wobbles. So they should be here tomorrow, and then Tuesday or Thursday I'll have everything mounted up on the car, and hopefully the coilovers will be on by Thursday. That'd be really cool. Maybe I'll just do everything on Thursday, coilover install and the wheels, get everything mounted the right way and get it done. So we'll see. It's pretty cool. I'm amped that I'm putting 20s on the E90. There's some threads online, stuff like that, but nothing like perfect. So we're gonna see what's going on, and then for any of you guys that know what JOM blue lines are, I don't know, ECS Tuning sells them for like $475 plus shipping. They're not supposed to be low end, but they're not supposed to be high end. This particular car I'm not tracking at all, literally just fucking cruising it. It's a 328i. It doesn't have power. I mean, it has a little bit of power, but nothing that, you know, is gonna, you know, astonish anyone. That's what the S14 is for. That shit puts down about, I don't know, like 350 to the wheels. I just fully built that engine, so that should be pushing more power. I just can't afford tuning and stuff right now. and trying to work on my reliable car, the daily. So that'll all be good. But yeah, the JOM Blue Lines, there's nothing online, there's no videos about them. I mean, there's a few videos, but everyone installs them, they drive the car, and they don't post up the review like of the afterthoughts. So I'll post up a photo on this video showing the JOM Blue Lines. The guy wants $375 for him. I offered him $280. He said yes. So I mean, I guess it's worth it at least to make the review and make the video for the people. That way, at least this that thing is updated for people, and then anyone that do want to buy those coilovers or don't want to buy them for that matter, you know, I might take one for the team. They might be good, they might be solid, I don't know. I don't expect them to be amazing, but as long as I can adjust ride height and you know, I don't want them super stiff. I want them to absorb some of the impact, so I don't know how the shocks are going to be. So we'll see, but I've read quite a bit. There's a couple people out there that said they were good, especially for the money. So at $280 for a set of coilovers, you can't beat that, man. So I'm gonna bite the bullet. I'm gonna do it, and hopefully I'll have everything installed on Thursday. So we'll check that out. All right, later. So like I told you, she does a lot of stuff. That's her gi. This is her wrap. She's got another gi over here. See, it's all over the place. Gotta organize it all for her, hook her up. She'll be wrapping the Green Owl Racing gear. You see her right here. That's the Oni hoodie, the mascara. She's always the first one to support, so that's really cool. Found it in her car, just chilling, ready to be worn. You guys can find that hoodie on the website. You already know, greenowlracing.com. You could always tune in, subscribe to these videos too if you guys like. You know, it's just kind of day in the life of just shit that I do with cars. It seems like I'm always doing something car related, so if it helps someone, that's always cool. I'm gonna try to be informative on things that I can't find online, where you guys will be able to source in these videos, so that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, Green Owl Racing, check it out. So one thing I can tell you is this thing's got a lot of room. The way the seats flip down, you can kind of see it's got a space for the headrest after you flip it down. It's pretty cool. It's awesome, awesome SUV.
Wow!